Hey everybody, it's Evan Arcade with another Tiki Mug Monday showcase. This time we're showing off the Nefertiki Ghost Edition of the House of Tabu mug made by Eekum Bookum. And yeah, we've only seen so far one glaze variant of this mug so far, which was one of the most recent ones, I believe. That falls along the line of the Egyptian style Tiki mugs by House of Tabu. But this one came out of nowhere because we knew that they stopped making the Tut Tut mug after the last one, but they decided to release a ghost version of that one for, I guess it was a special event, yeah, during the Tiki Caliente 11 that happened in May. And so I guess they decided to also do a couple of Nefertikis in a similar style, just because you could and might as well get a matching pair of these two together. Got a really nice, at first you would think it's one color glaze. It is bone, so you can kind of hear my fingers running against it. That's because it's not smooth. It's very matte, very dry, bone dry. But it has two different kinds of blues. This one's a little bit more teal. This is more baby periwinkle blue. Got a little jewel right there too. On the inside, it doesn't have much of a glaze at all. It's just white glaze. Not like, I should say not much of a colored glaze, but yeah. Great, I think. It's a great companion piece if you have the Ghost Tut, which was also released during a Tonga Hut event in North Hollywood. It's at the bottom. There you go, Patrick Assar sculpted this. This is number 10 actually, cool. It's a pretty low number. I don't actually know how many of these they made. There's only 50 of the Tut Tut mugs, so we'll have to see how many they actually made of these Nefertiki ones. I mean, by the time these actually go on sale, they had a couple of these, one or two of these at Tiki Caliente, but when they actually release this, who knows? So in the future, I'll have to, or not in the future, probably in the writing when I post up this actual post of the, the photo of this mug, I'll say exactly what the edition run was for it. Either way, came out pretty cool, right? Really beautiful colored for something that's just very light, as you can see. That's it for now. As always, mahalo.